Hello. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Hi, Sekhar. Good morning.
Yeah.
You are audible, Sekhar?
Sorry? Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, Sekhar, it's visual, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See, in last session, just we have designed what is that virtual network and subnet created NSG associated to VNet, right? Now
Yeah.
I'm going to discuss about what? How to establish the connection VPN from on-premises to Azure cloud computing. Hello?
Yeah, Sekhar, yeah.
Hi, Penchil Babu. Wish you happy Merry Christmas.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Same to you, sir.
Thank
you, sir. Same to you, sir.
Same to you, sir. Thank you. Hello, Sekhar, hello.
Okay. See, now access the portal, portal.azure.com. Okay. Yeah. See, navigate to virtual network. Yeah, virtual machine. I have created two virtual machines, right? One, two. Okay. Both are in same VNet. Now navigate to Azure Virtual Network Gateways. Okay. Just type virtual network gateways. Okay, this is the one. So just to read it out, move the cursor there. What it is saying, just to read it out. Okay, see, Azure VPN gateway connects your on-premises network to Azure network, that is site-to-site VPN. The way of similar, you are connecting from on-premises to cloud. Sorry, for example, in on-premises, how we people are connecting in your office. First, you will go to office or work from home, in the sense, first you will connect it to VPN, which will establish the connection to what is that? Azure data center or on-premises data center in real time. Okay. So once you have connected VPN, then only it will establish the connection from on-premises to your Azure data center, your organization data center. Here also same, but here we have to connect Azure virtual network gateway. Okay, so the gateway connects from on-premises to Azure cloud, that is using site-to-site VPN. Okay, that how we have set up remote branch in our office. Okay, the connectivity is secure. Why? Because this is the private, so the connection would be high secure. The services which you have deployed inside of VNet, that can communicate each other directly. Okay, fine. Now, first thing, go ahead and type create virtual network gateway. So gateway, in the sense, that is the gateway, your request and response will happen through that gateway itself. Okay, for example, this is the network, right? This is the gateway. All your outside request and response will come through this gateway only. Okay, this is a high secure, and this is also make it high available. For example, they can distribute in around 2 to 3 data center in Azure. If one data center is down, another data center will be live. 100% this service will be up and running for 24/7. Due to some issues, entire data center got crashed. Then another data center is there to provide the service to customers. Okay, let's see. I will show you. See, subscription. I am taking Visual Studio Enterprise Edition. That is my subscription. Okay, here The virtual network gateway I am giving TCS-VPN. Just for naming convention, I have provided TCS-VPN. Okay. Yeah. Next, AVPN. AVPN means Azure VPN. All right. Next here, see, this is the different versions, guys. As you know that already nowadays we are getting lot of upgrades for every product, all sectors, not only in IT. If you go for pharmacy or doctor, okay, or automobile industry or finance, healthcare, everywhere there are a lot of changes are happening for every month. Okay, now initially Microsoft launched VPN gateway, VPN GW in the sense VPN gateway 1. Next version, next VPN gateway to 4 means VPN gateway. GW means gateway to Azure. VPN gateway to 3 Azure. 3 Azure in the sense latest version, guys. Okay, yeah. So actually frequently we will use VPN gateway to Azure. This is the standard. If you want anytime you can upgrade to latest, or else you can choose latest one, no issues. First, what I will do now, I will choose VPN gateway to Azure. Later, I will upgrade this VPN. Okay. Anyhow,
Sir, here
this is
upgrade
the,
means what, Shekhar?
sorry,
Here upgrade means what you are referring?
what is that? Upgrade, general word, what is the upgrade?
No, upgrade means low, I know higher version.
Lower
But
same
what is the
thing.
concept? You are just connecting, right? You are using the virtual
Yeah,
network
just
just to connect to
connection.
them.
That's it.
If then what is the concept of upgrade here in the sense of
Upgrade in the
connection?
sense here, high security, new features will be added. That's it.
Okay.
That is the upgrade, right? Generally.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's why because yeah.
That's what initially when Microsoft Azure came to the picture, that time they have provided VPN gateway. That is the one product. Later, same thing they have upgraded. Latest one is VPN gateway 5 to agent. Suppose iPhone 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. What does that mean? Are they upgrading any other things? No, right? Whatever the device, whatever the OS they have provided inside of the iPhone, they are upgrading.
Yeah, right, yes.
Okay, yeah, next. Now, here virtual network. Already we have designed, right? My virtual private network. By default, I am choosing that one. Okay, here, initially, by default, it is taking, what is that? Same range. Okay, 192.168.0.0. Okay, so whatever the virtual machine, sorry, whatever the VNet we have created by default, that is taking as a gateway address. Next, now you know that, right? In entire world, each and every device connecting to what? Internet. Sure. Yes. In the world, whatever the devices are there, each and everything they have connected to, what is that? Internet. Without that, nowadays there is no any application is running. Am I right? Whether you are connecting through mobile device or tab device or laptop or desktop, whatever it is. So each and every device now connecting to internet. Same way, actually this is the virtual network. This is the gateway. So even that gateway also should connect it to internet. So we should provide what? One IP. That is what? Public IP. Public IP, then only outside of members will able to access your application and all, right? 100% you should provide one IP. That would be public IP. Now here, public IP name. For what? For this gateway. Okay, now I am giving my PIP. My PIP in the sense public IP. My public IP. You can mention whatever you want. Clear? Yeah, next. Now, have you observed availability zone? This uh, virtual network gateway should be deployed into particular zone. Yes, if you want, you can apply it zone one. Zone one in the sense if the data center is down or if the data center is crash, so your network gateway also would be down. Have you observed in your real time, whoever having 10 years of experience in this batch, sometimes inside network, people will say VPN is not working. For to make it available, it used to take around 4 to 5 hours. Within 4 to 5 hours, people will be enjoy, come out from the office and go for tea and all. Have you observed any time?
Yeah, that work from home. Actually, when I connect to VPN, actually, net
Yeah,
is
even
10 times very.
offices also. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what does that mean is if that VPN has some issue, I mean that gateway, then all the systems, whoever is connecting that network, they cannot able to connect it. Why? Because there would be some issue with network. Here also same. Now I am choosing zone redundant storage. Zone redundant means what is the zone? The data can be distributed across multiple zones in the region. So as you said, in India, we have three data centers, Pune, Chennai, Mumbai
Yeah.
data centers. If one data center is down, another data center is there to provide the service to customers. Okay, yeah, next. Tags. What is the tags, guys? So this is important. So when you choose zone, no, your gateway should be distributed into multiple data centers. Obviously, it will take 30 minutes. So to create network gateway, it will take 30 minutes. Okay, yeah, next tags, forget about it. Hit on review plus create it. Just it is validating. Yeah, create it.
Sekar, here the VPN that, like that you have created, okay, they should provide the unique IP, right? Correct now, but because in the world, like every application is running on the public IP, correct?
Yeah,
They should have the public IP to access, right?
yes.
So they should always provide the unique IP, right? Suppose I wanted to assign some IP, right, according to my choice. Can you do?
Public IP.
Yeah.
Public, how we can assign?
No, no, that's what I'm asking. Okay.
What is that? That is basic, right? You are taking internet connectivity. By default, they will assign one public IP for our router. Hey, I do not want that IP. I need 1.1.1.1. Will you able to ask?
Uh,
No, right? You are using
no, sir.
mobile,
Hmm.
Airtel or Jio or VI. So they're also assigning one IP for your mobile device, right? Will you ask, I need 2.2.2.2? Will you call
No,
network and ask? Let's see what is the response.
no, you cannot do.
Yeah.
So that should be the unique, right? In the world, right? No?
In the world, IP address should be unique. Whatever the IP is assigned, we can't expect. Whatever they have provided IP, you should take. That's it. Private
Yes.
IP means that is in our control. Whatever the things we want, whatever the series we want, we can assign. Whatever the IP you need to assign for one system, yes, that is in our control. We can do that. Public IP is not in our hand.
Yeah, right, Sekar, yes.
So anyhow, it will take 30 minutes, guys. Why? Because gateway should be published into all three regions of data center, all three regions in, sorry, all three uh, zones in the region. So to distribute that region and make it available, enable everything, then it will take around 30 minutes. We have to wait for 30 minutes. No alternative. Why? Because it should be distributed. After creating that gateway, then we can go for further steps.
Sekar, well, suppose you are correcting the two like a subnet, right?
Yeah.
In in the same company, okay. So I should first I should be aware. Suppose I'm and already there is a two, and I'm going to create the third one. Then I should know the what are the the IP they have assigned to the first one and two, right now?
Subnets, yeah, okay.
Subnet, yeah.
Which series you want to provide? Yes, you have to take the session.
Yeah, first okay.
Yeah.
And generally, suppose in the last time we have created the 192, 168, right? And you've
Yes.
taken the third one, one series, two series, correct?
Yes, correct. 1, 2. Yes, I have given. If you
Yeah.
create another web subnet, it will by default, it will take 3. So if you don't like, you can go for 50, 51, 52, 110, anything. No worries.
And what about the series? Can you also change that series 168?
160. Yeah, that also you can change. Only
And
first digit is constant. Remaining all you can do whatever you want.
yeah.
I have mentioned 192.168. Frequently we will use it in, I tried in my app is same series. So same thing I have provided here. That's it.
But you can
Apart from
also
that,
change the first one, now 192, you can make the 193. As
yeah, you
anyway, it
can
is a
change it.
private.
192, 255, any number you can mention.
Okay. And last time, I was trying for the same thing, like the trying to get the IP, okay, which is the CMD, okay, ping. So for I was trying to get for the AWS, okay. So I was getting the multiple IP.
AWS, I am not sure, guys. The networking, how they design and all, that would be different.
Even
Product
for
to
my
product, it
company,
will get changed. Yeah.
even for my company, it was showing the two ID. Like you see, in the last time you showed for the SCL, right? It was coming only one, right? But it was showing the two IP. Let me first check, then I share my screen. Anyway, it is that taking the time for you.
Yeah.
So that we can go for some different questions. Sega, can I share my screen? Hello?
Yeah, share our screen.
Yeah. Where is the option? Okay, this one. You cannot share a screen while the other participant is
I do not have. 1 second. Yeah, I make you completely host.
Okay. So it's visual.
Yeah. So there would be NAT IPs, guys. Okay. So if you go for big organization, big client and all, we will have a number of. Okay. Those would be, we will call them as NAT IPs, like managing the load, routing, different types of network. There would be different. That's what I said. Networking is large concept. Okay. To know that we have to come from scratch, and there would be Cisco networking certification also there. The certification cost itself 25,000 to clear that exam. Okay, yeah. Then we can move on cyber security, ethical hacking. That path is different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Even when you type google.com, Google NS lookup google.com, type it, you will get two, I think. Yeah,
yes,
one is
okay.
IPv6, another one is IPv4. Two are there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Sekhar, what
So
is
that
this
is
one, the
total
server?
configuration. They will expose the functionality from outside with one. Internally, they can configure multiple things that won't be exposed the functionality to outside of the world. So there would be a configuration. Many things would be there. Yeah.
Yeah. And Sekhar, what is the first one that is coming for every IP? Server unknown, address is the same.
What is that?
There you see, if you see 192, 168, right? What
Yeah.
is this one actually?
That is your system have one internal IP that is taken by default.
My system IP, this is not this one.
You are using your any office laptop or your laptop?
No, personal laptop it is.
Now someone try it out, guys. Same thing. NS lookup google.com.
Even I remember, even that is also coming in your system. On that day, you were trying for the SL.com.
Actually, inside the something, 1 second. Let me check. NS lookup google.com. Mine is Reliance. Let me share my screen.
Okay, stop.
Make me as a host.
Even I got Reliance.
Yeah. I am using
Mine is different, sir.
Reliance. Yeah.
Geo.
I am using Geo Act 5. Yeah, Fiber. I am using Reliance.
Second, how
Okay,
to make the host?
Right. Click on 3 dots. Highlight my name. Click on 3 dots. Make host.
3 dot. Okay. This one more, na?
I
No,
don't
what
see
is
your
3 dot?
screen here.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Then you guide me.
It won't be appear. Hey, very simple. Move the cursor on my name, Shekhar Reddy. Click on 3 dots. Make host.
Yeah,
You will get.
it's coming. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah. Make host is correct. Yes, done. I say, can you share the screen?
Yeah. Okay, I got it. I type same thing, Reliance. So my provider is Reliance. I think someone shared in the chat. I think who is that? Kamaruddin. Kamaruddin using BSNL. BSNL screen. This is the one. Linus lookup Google. That is depends, guys. It will take by default your system.
It's our our IP, our server IP is coming.
Yeah, not sure how the connection
sure.
is going from your system. Yeah.
And second, after learning the AWS, suppose if you try to learn the AWS, it's something different AWS compared to AWS, same.
It is same, guys. Okay. That the driving car is same. Whether you will drive what is that BMW car or Ferrari car or some Audi car. Okay. The facilities, features that would be changed. When you go for AWS, services would be same. Nothing will be changed. Okay. If you create virtual machine here, they're same. Features are same. So apart from that, what they are providing additional features, that is different. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. If you go for Google, AWS, yeah, Azure, the funda is same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And second, any good book you can refer for that?
Yeah. So coming to Azure, I don't refer any good books, guys. Why? Because for everything they have provided the documentation. I said right, azure.microsoft.com. That is the good book I refer. Why? Because if any new feature got added, then according to that document will get update. Okay. So when you are coming to the cloud, that's what. Forget about books and all. It is nothing useful. I can say at present earlier stage, no, if they launched one product that will be constant for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, there we can learn. Now, not the things. Changes are happening for every 15 days, every month. So to refer always, there is no good book than azure.microsoft.com. Whatever you want, you can go and read the document and implement the same. That's it.
Okay.
Still, if you need, I will let you know. I will ping you on book, one good author. You can purchase it.
Okay. And second, even in the firewall, you are doing the same thing. You are connecting from the like a private to public, right?
Yeah.
But then what is that? Like on that you told there is a VPN, like for the DB you have taken one example, right? Server
Sorry.
DB. For the firewall, you have taken on that day there is
Firewall
a
is
one example.
additional layer. Okay,
Mm.
additional layer that is implemented for public. That is totally different, guys. Okay, so ethical hacking, writing the script, applying the total different rules, that is different. Okay, that comes under ethical hacking, networking. What is that? Encryption. Many things have been included.
Okay.
Okay, if we go for networking, especially I'm not sure if you are good at networking for Cisco company, they are providing for freshers itself 18 lakhs package. So once you enter into the Cisco company, no, they don't allow you take your mobile inside of the company. Okay, so after 8 hours only the employee has to come and go away by taking his mobile. Inside that they won't allow you. So why? Because they're always looking for, they are monitoring networking. For example, any request is coming from outside to hack the network. Okay, so they will that request should be bounced back. They will write the code in ethical hacking. Okay, networking itself, it is big. What is that? Sensitive subject. I hope you know, right? One Deloitte guy. He is the 18 years. Since 18 years, he is working in Deloitte only. So he started. Uh, he designed one room to hacking itself. So through his Deloitte system, he used to hack some other countries' important person, VIP person's data. So finally, Deloitte company itself find it out that guy got fired. I think it was happened. Uh, 2022 June, July. That news is there. Have you heard about it? No? He is the gem at networking itself. Did you hear about that news? Anyone?
Yes,
Real-time
yes.
professionals? No? Hey, you will get,
No.
when you go for your
Mm.
mobile, no?
Mm.
Try to open one news. Frequently try to use. So relevant IT industry will get the alert automatically. In our mobile, Google Chrome is there, right? By default,
Yeah.
you will get some articles over there. So try to open 2 times IT related news. So all IT related news, it will be trigger who has hacked and what happened for IT industry. That all you'll get. Nowadays, we are getting this Microsoft Edge. This is also, guys.
Yeah, right. In the coming years,
Yeah,
maybe.
this is always, it will update for every 1 hour, guys. Latest news.
Mm.
Okay, if your system in US related information will get mostly 80%. If I am India, this is my personal laptop, so I will get mostly related to India. Apart from that, world news also. For example, this is the one. See, India logs 365 new case. This was updated 19 hours ago. 19 hours ago. Like that, most of the news here only you'll get it. For example, this is the first news. What is that? AI pin. Come on, AI pin. Artificial intelligence. This is the LED TV. India online, no premium quality. This is the logs. What is the
Sekar,
Google
anyway,
Flash?
in many project now, actually you are not able to log into the VM. Yeah, sorry, Chat GPT.
Any
When
troubleshoot?
like what happened now? Suppose I'm working on a project, US project is there.
Mhm.
Okay, when I trying to open the Chat GPT, they are not allowing. That has been blocked.
Yeah, there would be some. They are
Mm.
they are imposing some rules, guys.
Yeah, right.
Okay, Microsoft Windows supports and Microsoft 10 they are going to stop by 2025 October, guys. Microsoft given the news. How many of you know? Microsoft stopping
Mm.
releasing the patches 2025 October. So October 2025 onwards, they are not going to release any security, any patches. That is over. So 100% you have to upgrade to what? Windows 11.
Right.
Okay, yeah. Next, this is the SBI. Something, all the news you'll get it here. And apart from that, when you scroll down, whatever you are interested,
And
everything
second,
will.
is any recession is going to come down or like up? Recession, too much like there is a market rumor.
Not sure here about that. Is
Mm.
people are telling about only predictions.
Mm.
We are not sure what are going to happen. But many people are saying that calls will be increased from January. Okay,
Yeah, that is.
but some of people are saying that it would 2024 was then 2023. Uh, so we cannot predict it what will happen. Things are getting changed for every month, but earlier days, nowadays things are getting changed. Earlier, if an employee got fired, they used to provide 3 months or 5 months salary. Finally they are throwing out particular person. Now people are throwing it out within fraction of days. They are giving 45 days salary, immediately they are sending out. Okay. So I heard about one employee working in Wipro. In if you are in bench more than 45 days, you will not. We are not going to salary. You are not going to get salary after 45 days. They have implemented this policy, especially Wipro. I heard only Wipro. Now, other companies not sure.
No, even for the L&T, same policy. For Mindtree, same policy.
Okay.
Even they sale 60 days.
Yeah, so 45 days after you are in bench, then you are not going to get salary. So what about travel charges? Nowadays, if you want to office to home, at least per day 200 you have to spend. Like you have to spend 6,000. At least if they are not providing basic salary, it is waste, right? That's
Correct.
what they are corporate people. You know about your knowledge limited to your local, but their knowledge is across the world. Okay, they'll
Correct.
come to know all the policies for every country and all. Which policy is good, which country, same thing they will spread it for other countries as well. Okay, there would be experts in the market. uh, the corporate companies policies are getting changed slowly nowadays. Nothing, we can't do anything, we cannot expect as well.
And second, like, is any difference data science and AI, or both are the same? I'm asking because anyway, this is the taking time. That's why I'm asking it.
Yeah, yeah, no
Out
problem.
of the scope questions.
Data science, yes.
And
It is
AI.
data science course itself. I hear data science and data analytics. These are same guys. Around it will take 6 months time to complete data analytics and all, including that AI also part.
Okay, you mean to say AI is a part of the data science, right?
Yeah, data science, one part.
Because many students now they are offering the data science and the AI, but I'm very confused. Do you
Yeah,
need to learn the data science also, or directly you can learn the AI also?
directly you can learn AI,
Okay.
but there would be a confusion, guys, in the market. Uh, Suppose if you want to learn AI, what is the background, what they will develop, what is that application? People are doesn't have the clarity at this moment. That's why I requested you wait for 3 to 5 months, then you'll get the clarity. People are say AI coming to the picture just 1.5 year, 2 years back. Okay, around popular. I am just telling about getting popular. So how they can now many 80% people are still they want they are thinking about should we implement or not. 100% they will implement, but what is the next step? Okay, who is the trainer, what they have to teach, that all we do not have clarity, guys.
Correct is. Mm.
Yeah, that's what. Wait for couple
Mm.
of a couple of months, then you'll get an clarity according to them. But people are know what is the usage of the AI, but what to develop for IT industry, what we have to do, that all we should. But we are seeing about what is that fruits of AI.
Yeah, port API you are saying.
Yeah. So multiple, there would be drastical changes will happen in AI. What will happen, for example, if you want to purchase one land, okay, if you go for builder, he will say one rate. If I go for builder, he will say another rate, right? So what it will take now, by default it will take your location and government registration value, then additionally it will take additional cost now, finally it will give one value. So there also fake would be reduced. So multiple sectors it is going to affect. How much we don't know, but there would be job lost 100%. Then meantime multiple jobs also will be created, so everyone must upgrade your technology, or
Right.
every month, not
Mhm.
every 6 months, every month you have to upgrade something new. Got it? Yeah. So like that, in finance sector, automobile industry, okay, uh, banking sector, in all industries AI is going to be very important, and they are going to replace many things, existing apps. That is for sure. Okay, coming to our IT people, how it is affected now. AI itself, it will do analysis your work, and finally it will start giving the rating. Okay, they will install AI tool in your laptop or desktops. What you are doing for 8 hours, that would be tracked. If there are any escalations are happening from the clients, or if there are any emails are coming from the client, like some you haven't done something, please do it something as soon as possible. Even those words also it will take and analyze it. Finally, that artificial intelligence will give the report for project manager. For this guy, we can provide the rating 1 or 2 or 10 maximum. That also going to be done by artificial intelligence. Nowadays, what happened now? Project manager. I am the project manager. You are the close to me. I can give the rating for like 10 or 15%, right? Someone is there. He is doing good job. He is not mingle up with any other guy. Then then what I will do? You will give manager will give 1 or 2%. Okay. Finally, you will say you did nothing. You have to explore more and all. So that won't be happen in companies. Why? Because in that place, AI will come sit on top of priority for everything.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. Why? Because we are seeing already that is happening at present. Okay, and not only that, uh, so there would be nine working hours for a day, right? So maximum you'll be there inside of the ODC 5 hours, remaining 4 hours you are running outside. So finally, it will calculate 5 hours automatically. 5 hours will get updated for the timesheet. Automatically, it will take an update. You need not go on manually enter. Nowadays, TCS, Infosys, Wipro people, they are going for portal, updating 8 working hours. 1 day is break, 1 hour is break, totally nine working hours, right? Manually, you are updating your timesheet nowadays. So going forward, it will take automatically by taking swipe in, swipe out timers. That I also saying. I think a few projects they have implemented already these things. Yeah.
Mhm.
Kamaruddin saying that yeah, it is there in all Wipro. Yeah, Wipro, so, not all projects, few projects I hear. Okay. Yeah. So that is come and sit on top of priority. Okay, going forward. That is the one effect we can see, major effect in IT industry. Okay, even it will take the words, whatever the emails are coming from the client, that data also it can analysis. It will analysis and provide the output. Okay, yeah, great. Now see guys, this is the VPN I have provided. Okay, TCS hyphen VPN. How much time it has taken? Around now 55, right? Yeah. Okay, fine.
8:26 I started.
Yeah, around 30 minutes it has taken. Now, have a look, navigate to TCS-Azure VPN. There is a one option called configuration. Click on configuration. See, the configuration always it will give you versions of Azure VPN gateway. See, VPN gateway to Azure. If you want any time, it is provided 5, right? You can upgrade and save it. I will show you how to upgrade it. Let it be. By standard, it is what? Azure VPN to gateway. Okay. Yeah. Next, navigate to connections. Okay. Sorry. Point to site configuration. Okay. Configure it now. See here, you have to mention your configuration virtual network pool. Pool in the sense, for example, TCS is there. If I give 192.0.0.0, okay, what will happen now? So whatever the system they have provided for every resource, okay, so internally the gateway will allocate one ID. With that ID, internally it will get authenticate. For example, there is a Rakesh. Two members are there, Rakesh, in the team. How can I call? With surname. Am I right? Surname is a identity. Right? Same way, here gateway will assign internal one IP for every system in the network. If the request is coming from those IPs, then only it will accept, allow to access other services in the organization. Got it? Clear? Yeah, next. Now here I am giving the name is 192.0.0.0. Okay, 6. I am giving one series. Here, series can be anything you can mention. It will give you just ID for every system that was registered in the network. కరెక్ట్గా
Every
చెప్పాలంటే
system means that
టీసీఎస్
in the
ఆర్గనైజ్ యా లెట్ మీ
subnet, right?
కంప్లీట్ ఇట్
Okay.
టీసీఎస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఈస్ దేర్ అరౌండ్ 6,000 sorry 6,30,000 employees are there. Altogether they have to communicate their VPNs. Okay, so when they connect VPN internally, while configuration itself, when they add the laptop into the VPN, I mean network, in TCS network, internally it will give one ID. Okay, it will assign by default. So nowadays, you know, right, if something you lost in the market, how policies are tracking based on IP, guys. For example, someone you lost the money due to online fakes. If you go on the complaint it for police people, what they will do? First, they will try to verify from which system user are hacking. They will identify the system, then location. Finally they have to find it out particular networking, everything. Nowadays I am using geo internet, right? So when I try to hack something, first they will police and all, they will contact to geo networking people. So which system, whether any hacking happened from this system or not. So through that they will track it. That's why if there are online fakes are happen, when you go to police station, people will ask first question is, we have to take care about all these fraud news, fraud transaction and all. Why? Because for tracking it will take long time for them. There would be a lot of dependency, right? Okay, that's why people people won't go for police station and file the case nowadays. It is risk, and we have to spend time, we have to spend money, everything, right? So that's why people maximum they won't prefer to go police station and file the case nowadays. It is all on risk. Okay, so that's why you are in track. Even you know, right? In Google Map there is a feature. I'm not sure how many of you know, wherever you are traveling, we can track, guys. For example, today you went to one restaurant, you went to some hotel, you went to some offices, from where you are traveling, from where you are staying, how much time you are saving, how much time you are spending particular bar and restaurant, that all also would be tracked. Do you know how many of you know that one? Anyone knows?
Yeah, it
Last,
comes on the Google Map. Yeah, it
yeah,
comes.
Google Map only.
Mhm.
Okay, when you go for Google Map, last 10 years, which location you have traveled, which location you have visited, that all would be visible. I will show you. I think you know, right? Map.google.com. Your contribution timeline data. See, Judy, I have registered Coatpalli. That also registered. Okay. I think last time Nellore railway station I have visited. Okay. And the Saptapadi Garden somewhere I have visited. Okay. Vivekananda statue I have visited. Indian Oil petrol bunk I went to there and filled the petrol for car, bike and all. Like that. See, we have all the locations that you have registered. Everything would be tracked. You are in track while you are trialing your mobile. Okay, like that you can track like where you are, okay, which location, what you did and all. So Bhimavaram Tenali mixer plant and I have visited for 4 weeks back. Okay, Vivekananda statue I visited 4 weeks ago. Indian petrol bunk I have visited 3 weeks ago. Okay, the next anti-happy homes I visited like that. Whatever you have visited, everything that would be in track, guys. That option, if you want, you can disable, no worries. Now I am giving what I am trying to hear is for every system within the network it will give it will allocate one id. Based on that id, if request is coming, then according to that it will allow or deny the request. Okay, I am giving address full here. Okay, I have provided 192, you can provide 193. That is up to you. Okay, if there are any issues, just it will give the solution. Next, now authentication type. I am giving Azure certification. Azure certification means your system, your personal system certification should be registered so that you will be able to connect this networking connectivity. Okay, my name is Shekhar. I am giving Shekhar. Shekhar VPN. I am giving. You can mention any name. Okay, no worries. VPN. Okay, how to generate the certificate? Okay, to generate the certificate, see, I will give you the one article. Okay, this is the self-signed certificate, guys. Okay, this certificate you have to register in Azure. Okay, so if this is your laptop, right? This is my network. This is the gateway. Okay, so I have registered your certificate into my Azure VPN. Once the request is coming, when you connect VPN, then it will validate against of your details, and second thing is your certification. If both are getting valid, then you will be allowed into Azure networking and try to access the services. That's why they can register before hand over to you your laptop, any organization. They will install and configure all these things. Finally, you will get that laptop. In work from home happened right during COVID period. So networking people, they did everything, and they will send courier. Okay, after configuration of all these things in our laptop. That's what happened. That's why even though if you are working from home, networking people, companies, they are sending all these missions to networking people, and we can say internal team, IT team. Okay, they used to configure everything and send this laptop to respective people in COVID period. Generally, work from office, anything, everything they will do in office. Finally, they will hand over to you. Okay, you know, right? Some people after after putting the resignations, they used to visit the company and collect the laptop, go away to his home, wherever you want, then start working. What does that mean? They will configure built-in everything in the system, okay, before hand over this laptop to you in the organization. Okay, so here I have to generate, what is that? Certificate. Okay, I have to generate certificate. How to generate the certificate? This is the one, guys. I will share the link. This is the one. Okay, how to generate the certificate is you can verify this self-signed certificate. Now have a look. It is the open. This is what create self-root certificate. Now what I will do now, open the PowerShell command in our local, then execute this window. Apart from that, nothing. How we can do it? See, copy this window, start, open PowerShell, nothing new, whatever the documentation it is giving to generate the self-signer certificate. Self-signer certificate to validate authentication with high secure. Now right click and paste it. Yes. Yeah, it's done. Now go to start, manage it certificate, just type certificate. When I click on certificate, see manage user certificate. Click on it. Here we have personal. In the personal, filter with today's date, expiry date. Today date is what? 25th, right? Yeah, see. Okay, this is the root certificate 25th. Expiration is 2 years, they have mentioned. 2 years. 2025, this one. Okay, yeah. So 25th December 2025, this certification valid till then. Okay, now we have, this is the root certificate. We have to also generate client certificate. Okay, yeah. So there we can check PowerShell console, PowerShell. Okay, fine. Let be. If we are getting any issues, then we'll see. Okay, we have generated what? This certificate. Now navigate to here, right click, export it. I need to paste this certificate into Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, all task, export. Okay, next. I need 64 encoded. Next, browse it. I am going to save it in desktop. Maybe save it. Finish. Okay, now navigate to here. Yeah, this is the one. Open, just right click, open notepad. So this is the certificate. Copy this one, encoded certificate, copy and paste it. Okay, just save it. Our client certificate should be generated. Let's see. This document got updated by Microsoft April 2024. Sorry, April 2023, guys. Second, this is the self-signer certificate, client certificate. Yeah, so this is the client certificate. I am going to generate this one as well. Copy, paste it. Okay, now same way, right click and refresh. It's not generated. Yeah, see, child certificate is there. This is what today 25th. This is it is giving around 1.5 years. Okay, 25th 6th 2025. Okay, let it be. We need these two certificate valid. See, it's done. Close it. Now after saving it, no, still it is saving. So background registering everything. Background registering everything. For example, if you want to connect my network, you have to generate the certificate. If you give it to me, I will register here so that you can also connect that network connectivity, VPN. So that once you have established the connection from your laptop to VPN, you can also access these servers, guys. Okay, yeah, it has been saved. Have you observed here? It is showing what? Download VPN client. Yes, download it. It will take time. Yeah.
So could you have
So
downloaded 3 certificates now? For what purpose all 3 certificates?
yeah, you
Different
have
different
to
certificate.
generally where VPN is there here, right?
Yeah,
When you click on it, here you'll get the VPN site.
correct, yes.
Where is that? Here VPN. You
Mm.
have to connect it, that one. That VPN, after installing this VPN in your local machine, then only you'll get these links.
Yeah. But you have downloaded 3 certificates now for all for different purpose.
Not I have downloaded.
I created.
I create one certificate I have created in my local, that we will call it as self-signed certificate. That certificate I register in where? Azure. After registering in Azure, it has generated one VPN, one software they have provided, that you have to install in your local machine. Then only you will able to establish, you can able to establish the connection from your laptop to Azure network.
Okay.
See, this is the TCS Azure VPN. Now extract it. Yes, extract. Okay, there is a Azure VPN. Not this one. Open VPN. VPN. Again, try to generate it again. Save it. Sorry. There would be another setting I forgot. Here, choose. This is the new. Okay, above three are old version. Now they have upgraded IKV and Open VPN SSL. So SSL in the sense secure socket layer, they have updated. Uh, so let it be complete. We have to choose this one and save it. It is not allowing me to save. Once this process is over, then I will check. Meanwhile, I am taking duplicate tab. I will start the Azure virtual machines. This is the costly service. After practicing it, please remove it immediately. refresh. Yeah, it's done. Now apply. Okay, download VPN. Save it. Okay, now download VPN. Okay. Okay, this is about what? Total network connectivity. So in next session, we have only another topic. Admin is PowerShell scripting, how to develop it. So that I will cover it in DevOps. So tomorrow we will start about Azure DevOps, that is total automation, how we can do that. So PowerShell also it is the automation, how we can process, how we can automate PowerShell, how to automate Azure cloud services using PowerShell, that we will cover it in DevOps session. Okay.
Sir, is there any class in evening today?
Sorry, evening.
Evening yet today only. Is there any class like
No, we don't
in
have.
evening?
No,
No, na? Okay.
there is no my batch on evening. Okay, yeah. Now try to download. Yeah. Now open. Extract it. Yes. Okay. See. Here we have. There is a Windows, right? Now click on it. See, this is the Azure VPN client, guys. Okay. Install it. See, at this moment, right click on your networking settings in a local machine. I do not have any VPN. See, when I expand it, see, I do not have any VPN. Okay, this is the Windows 11 I am using. Try to upgrade Windows 11, whoever using Windows 10. Now double click on it. Okay, yeah, more information, run anyway. Run it. I am installing VPN in my local device. See, immediately it is alerting me. Do you wish to install VPN client in your system? Yes. Okay, it's done. Now go to here, your Wi-Fi symbol. There is a VPN. See my virtual network, my virtual private network. This is my VPN. Try to connect. Okay, connect. Yes. Established. See guys, it has been connected. Now I am going to access my virtual machines. Okay. Yeah. Now connect database server, whatever it is. Okay, copy this IP. Why? Because my system in, what is that? Within the network. Now right click, MSTFC, paste it. Okay, 192.168.2.4. This is the database server. Connect. See, immediately it is prompting. Enter the credentials. Yes, I am able to connect. Okay, I am minimizing. What will happen if I disconnect the VPN, guys? Can anyone tell me? If I go on right click on my, sorry, yeah, click on here. There is a my VPN network connectivity connected, right? If I go on the disconnect, what will happen? If I click on disconnect,
RDP connection will be lost.
will be lost, right? Yeah, now disconnect it. Yes, it is searching for the connectivity. Immediately it is giving what? Your connection has been lost, attempting to reconnect your session. And so that's it, it's gone. Same thing, it will happen in real time. Yes or no, guys? Here I am using my Azure VPN. Your company may use what is that? But in cloud computing nowadays I am telling they are using Azure VPN only, guys. Whoever using Zscaler, slowly they are upgrading to Azure VPN only nowadays. Earlier, yes, Zscaler is popular. People are using. Still, many clients are using Zscaler only. So that is the third party. Okay, that configuration would be different if you want to use Zscaler to communicate with our Azure network connectivity. I am using instead of Azure VPN, how the configuration would be changed, how they will register these certification with the Zscaler product, that is totally different. Okay. Yeah, so again, if you want to connect this VPN, go here, just connect it. How we are connecting Wi-Fi connectivity, right? Same way here. The moment when you connect, which will establish the connection from your local machine to your client network. So it's done. Okay, now navigate to again this virtual machine, MSTSC. Okay, same, we will able to connect it. Point at the rate of 123. This is exactly real time, guys. How we will configure, how we will establish the connection from local machine to Azure cloud. Not only in Azure, in our local data center also it would be same. Okay.
Second, here you have created one web and one DB now, right? How to connect they are in the same server? How to connect the both from the one web to DB? DB running on the different server.
Yeah, in the coding part I shown you, right?
Yeah, coding part. Okay, okay. From the coding, yeah. Okay. The connection string, right?
Yes, connection string.
Okay. One there's a bastion. What is the use of that one? Inside, just to go down in the operation sections. No, just go on the top, in the operation part. Yeah. No, second. Just come down. Just come
Yeah,
little
I
bit.
know.
Yeah.
This is on.
Yeah, there.
Okay, this is the different configuration, guys. Bastion in the sense I am accessing through VPN, right? Okay, so that is the different authorization authentication mechanism. Okay, so I am accessing this virtual machine IP, go to MSTSC, connect it. That is the one process. Okay, so Bastion, this is the again, if you need more on security and need not pass the credentials again, they will configure Bastion. So directly they will authenticate, open the browser, connect it. Within the browser also the server can be accessible. Within the browser also server can be accessible. That is the bastion connectivity, we will call it as. That is long, multiple configuration need to be in place. That will happen for only within the network, within the data center, within the network. Okay, not that is not that much popular at this moment, nor is Azure VPN establish the secure connectivity and access those servers. That is enough. Okay. Yes, so you are in my network. I can track what you are doing. I hope you got it now. Yes or no? Why? Because you connected my network. Why? Because my private network. So what is opening in our system, what you are doing, are you using any newspapers, or you are watching any browser you are watching, or any YouTube videos you are watching, that all in track. Your office networking people can track everything. Okay. Yeah, so that is the secret of network connectivity.
For
Okay.
that, any tool is there you can also track. Suppose I wanted to see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of networking tools are there, guys, in the market.
Mm.
Now,
Mm.
Azure VPN we connected, right? So there also on we can track. Let's check. Now, how many missions got connected, that we can check. Yeah, earlier there is a connectivity, right? There it is listing down, guys. So which what time we have connected, what time we have disconnected. Right? Seems that is not registered. Maybe it will take some time to reflect. There is a connections. You can monitor. Okay, this is about total virtual network connectivity. So practice it all these things. In next session, we'll discuss about what? How to automate the services in Azure using DevOps. Tomorrow we'll start about Azure DevOps. Okay, so that first three sessions are totally related to totally related to work that we are going to do in offices, that I will explain. Then we will go for configuring the CI/CD pipelines. Okay, yeah. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Tomorrow you'll come back. Bye.
Yeah, bye, Sagar. Thanks.